What's up, y'all? What you got to say? Who's on the video with MakeupShae? Welcome. What it do? What it is, boo? It is your girl Shay. You are tuning into MakeupShae. Of course. How you doing? In today's video is this look right here. It is a simple spring to me. Simple spring look. I use two palettes. I use Juvias Zulu palette as well as Cara Beauty's Purple Haze palettes to create this look. Lashes I got from AliExpress. I'm wearing everything from Shop My Stash. If you want to see my Shop My Stash, I will have the video up above in the cards right here. For all the products that I use, everything was Shop My Stash, okay? So I created this look. This is a recreated look from an Instagram influencer by the name of Beauty by Blu. I will have the picture somewhere on the screen if I can. I will have it right here of what the color, what the eyeshadow looks like, so we can see if it's kind of close, similar. I try my best, y'all. So yeah, if this is your first time liking, commenting, sharing anything on my video, y'all, I'm not even gonna hold it against you today, okay? But become a part of the fam bam. Join the notification gang, okay, by hitting the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a video, okay, which is every other day. All even days uploads should be coming unless it's Mass Makeup Monday. If you are my returning OGs, what they do, cuz what's up? So without further ado, let's get into this video. Y'all, I love y'all. Love you, love you, love you. Stay tuned. Okay, so for the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to be using the Plouise base. This is her cosmetic eye base. This is in Rumor number 2, and I'm going to put this all over both of my lids. And then we're going to start the eyeshadow. The palettes we are going to be using today is the Cara Beauty duo. This is the Purple Haze palette. All pink colors, purple colors, and shimmer colors. You got some oranges and a yellow in there. And then I'm also going to be using my Juvia's Place. This is the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to be using those two palettes for this eye look today. And this eye look is a recreation. Sorry if y'all hear the noise in the back. My children, okay. We are going to be doing a recreation eye look. This is from the makeup artist or makeup enthusiast. I don't know if she's a makeup artist or not, but her channel is Beauty by Blu. I will have it down in the description box if you are interested in checking out her page, following her, whatever the case may be. But yeah, we are going to be getting this look done. Let me show you the colors that we are going to be doing. These are the colors right here. So yeah, something simple spring look inspired with the colors. And yeah, so stay tuned as usual. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe. All the information will be down below. And this is just going to be a talk through. Get ready with me. I don't know. But stay tuned. Okay, so for the first shade that we are going to be using is from our Cara Beauty duo from Cara Beauty. It is their Purple Haze, and we are going to be using this shade right here called Wax. And we are going to apply that on our outer corner. And then after that, we are going to be going into the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and we are going to be using this turquoise shade right here as well as this pink right here. So we're just going to apply the Cara Beauty one on our outer corner, and then we'll be right back. now that we have that purple down, we are going into our Zulu palette, and with the Zulu palette we are going into this teal shade right here, and we're going to put it right next to the lavender purple shade. So right here on the top is where we're going to place it. And I think with that we're going to use the Morphe M506 brush. So grab your brushes, let go. Okay, and for our final color, it is also from Juvia's Place Zulu palette. We're going into this pink right here, and we're going to put it in our inner part of the lid. So right next to this blue or teal, we're going to put it right here in this missing gap space. And we're going to use another Morphe M506 brush to apply it. So grab your palette, let's go. Okay, now that we have the colors where we want them to be, that was just placing them. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back into each and every color, and then we're going to blend it seamlessly into each other, because as you can see, it is not blended, it's just placed, and it looks a hot mess right now. So we're going to fix that. We're going to blend all the colors together, and then we're going to use our Plouise blank canvas base to cut our crease. So come on y'all, get your brush, let's go. Okay, and we're just going to go into the same base. I didn't feel like pulling out the blank canvas one. Plus, it's not part of Shop My Stash. So, yeah. We're just going to go into the Rumor number 2 base. I'm going to apply it to the back of my hand. And we are going to cut a little cut of a crease. Okay? So, you see where that purple is? That's where we're going to end it at. So, I'm going to take my cut crease brush. One of my cut crease brushes. I don't know. Just grab a cut crease brush and apply your base. Okay, now that we have our crease cut, we're going into that same purple from the Car Beauty palette, and we are going to apply it inwards into the inner corner. Now, another item from Shop My Stash is from Car Beauty as well. This is the Girl Scout one, and we are going into the shade Clear Eyes. And then we're going into this glitter right here, and that one is called Sticky Icky Icky Icky. Yeah. So, yeah. Just apply these, and we'll be back to apply the lashes, liners, all that good jazz.